Today's topic of the day is creatine. Is it the most overrated supplement on the market, or is it worth all the hype? Now, let's first look at a few things. How does creatine work and what does it do? So your muscles run on ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So when you contract a muscle, ATP converts to ADP, adenosine diphosphate. So the problem is your muscles only store enough ATP for a few seconds of intense effort. For example, sprinting, lifting a weight. So here's where creatine comes into play. It donates its phospho group to ADP, adenosine diphosphate, and converts ADP back to ATP, meaning you're increasing your ATP so you can go harder for longer. More volume, more power, more strength as a result. This is called the phosphocreatine energy system. Basically, your muscles act as a battery and creatine act as a recharger for that battery. Creatine also causes cell volumization as well as protein synthesis, which causes muscle growth as a result. In my opinion, creatine is one of your most essential supplements to take. It's worth all the hype and it's not overrated at all. In my next video, I'll be discussing all the types of creatine and which are best and the benefits of them. That's it for me. Go heavy, go hard, eat well, sleep well, stay hydrated, and stay loyal to the grind.